AI has made life so much easier, especially when it comes down to finding winning products for drop shipping in 2025. And I've made it even easier for beginners by creating this chat GPT that's specifically for beginners with my Kingdom Ecom virtual course. And this is absolutely free. So if you guys want access to that, all you gotta do is join the free community down below and you'll find this inside of the classroom. And that is what I'll be using today as we are using these 3 prompts to be able to find winning products quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the document and you'll get access to this document too as well to be able to go ahead and find these. And this is a build off of my last video where I showcased how to find winning products with our 4-step, or really our 4-step framework. But this is where Winover like has it proved itself? Has it been something that's proven? Can we create a new angle? Will people buy more? So we're just using these 3 prompts right here to be able to help us find exactly what we're looking for. So starting off, and if you want access to this too as well, this will be in the classroom in the free community. I give all the resources for free inside my free community, so you guys can get access to that. But prompt number 1 is going to help us find that winning product for us. That then leads us to prompt number 2 to help us be able to find a new angle for that winning product. And then prompt number 3 is going to help us be able to scale and have people buy more than just one, so we have a higher average order value than others. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let me copy this real quick. This is our first prompt, which is going to say, give me a list of 10 trending e-commerce products that have done over 100K in sales in the past 12 months and are still in demand 2025. Let's go ahead and do it. Let me come over here, sharing the screen. I do these raw, no edits, so you guys can get the pure like realness of this authenticity. But let's go ahead and paste this. This is using our free ChatGPT, Kingdom Ecom Virtual Coach. So searching the knowledge, it has all the knowledge, been in e-commerce for the past 5 years now, so it gives you all those things. So just like that, look at this. So it gives us pet hair roller, a posture corrector brace, a mini car dent repair, okay, reusable kitchen oil filter, a water absorbing bath mats. Actually, it's crazy. I talked about this last video. I'm actually going to use this. Electric lint roller, LED flame humidifier, a neck and shoulder heat pad, and then electric callus remover. Oh, that's what's up. Oh, that's really what's up. This is especially for like whenever it comes down to beauty, making sure like, especially for women. So that's a really good one. And then the pet water bottle. Yeah, that's honestly a good one. Out of these, once we see one that gives us like what we're looking for, I'm honestly liking this water absorbing bath mat because I know that this is something that sells even throughout Q4, and just like thinking about like this upcoming 12 months or just what's right now, but also too, this electric callus remover where people are going to be going outside and they want to be showing their feet. They won't have no calluses on their feet. You know what I'm saying? So this, this honestly might be one too as well. The pet portable water bottle. It's going to be hot outside. We're getting the summertime, so that's another good one. But honestly, I am between the electric callus. I'm asking it to help me. Hey, I'm between the between this. Move this out the way for myself real quick, so y'all probably can't see this. There we go. I'm between boom, and I am between the bath mat. Which one would you recommend based off your knowledge? So I'm in between, so I wanted to give me something. Great choice. I was thinking the same thing. Pros and cons. Let's see what it gives us. My, if you want, yeah, I like it. I'm going with the bath mat. That was the first thing too. But choose if you're confident in running a beauty product. Angles. I think beauty has such. Yeah, I'm actually go with this electric callus because my angle. What I'm thinking of is them feet. Make sure them feet good. Nah. So now I'm going back to my document on this left hand side and I'm copying the second prompt. You'll see it here shortly. But now that we got the product from this, I'm now going to copy this This is our second prompt. Take this product, and I'm gonna enter and give me 5 unique marketing angles that target specific audiences with modern trends, fitness, parent, remote workers, etc. So it's gonna give me 5 marketing angles, and this is all for free. Oh my gosh. Can you tell? I'm telling you, this guy is so much easier. But using this framework that we talked about on our last video, if you watch this video and use these prompts and watch the last video that I posted, it's gonna click for you. You're gonna be like, whoa, I've never had this, and now I got these winning products. But let's see. Kind of talks like me too. Bet. This is a goal of mine. So this got the fitness. So I got the fitness. You train hard. Your feet shouldn't suffer for it. Busy mom, self-care. You care for everyone else. Here's 5 minutes just for you. Remote workers, Gen Z. TikTok made me buy it and it actually worked. It's like I can think those. I think number 4 and number 2 can go together for sure. Excuse me. Older adults, foot pain, pro tips, test these angles. I like it. I like these angles. Let's start off with, and we can pick whichever angle we want to go ahead and move forward with. I personally am going to go with the busy moms and also use like the Gen Z. But you could test each angle with your ads. Your ads is where you're able to test all 5 of these angles, but you want to start off with one angle on your store. So it's good to have a broad angle on your store. So like the beauty, like busy moms is a good one. But if you notice that people are reacting more towards like a photo of older adults using this product, then you'll switch your product page to more older adults. You see what I'm saying? So you correlate, you're able to test all 5 of these at once on ads, but when it comes down to your product page, you only choose one. So I will go the busy mom ones, but test all 5 of these. So just to give you an example, I'm say, are you, and it's going to be my next video on how to use AI prompts to create winning ads. But are you able to create a winning ad for me with the angle of a busy mom? Just so you can see like how it would go. But it's going to be a whole different one. Winning ad. I'm going to say create the image. But it gives us like we can use this and put it to like another chat GPT to be able to create like an image for us just based off that. So this is gonna be a whole another one, but it just gives you an idea of how like powerful AI is. This is gonna be a whole video, but as you see, we got our angles. So now that we got our angles, and I'm gonna go with the busy mom one, I now want to go ahead and copy this last prompt to be able to give me ideas of the scalability of it. And then we'll actually go ahead and go deeper into this if we got some time. We should have some time. All right, so now I'm copying this ChatGPT prompt, copying my product, which is a good one. I'm gonna open up a new one just so y'all can see. We'll create an ad together just so y'all can see. But boom. So now we got that, and I just copy and paste. So based on this product, give me 3 ideas for how I could bundle, upsell, position it in a way people buy more than 2 or more at a time. So buy 2, get 1 free. The BOGO deal, always a winner. Always hits if you have the margins to do so. The family fee, family fee for couples. Man, that's something. But smooth feet starter kit, there it is. That's a good one. Smooth feet starter kit. You can name a bundle that way to be able to have like, you have multiple in there, but it's good. That's really good, honestly. You can have like some stuff in there, but cool. So now that we kind of got like our product and we got the ideas, this is what I'll do next. I'm gonna go to AliExpress and I'm gonna look up this product. So let me go ahead and look it up. So we see how much we are getting it for. It's like $12. Okay, so I see it. So now we got that. We got our idea. So now I'm going to TikTok. I'm going to TikTok just to see like what people are doing already for the product. Electric callus remover. And boom, this is before. This is it right here.
It's pedicure time. This foot callus remover is a must.
Need one for my hubby. What do you mean? No, just kidding. OMG, I want one. These are all kind of new.
It's me trying out this electric.
This is good though. But this is the exact product right here.
You've got calluses on your toes and they look disgusting. Check this out.
Yee. But I'm telling you, for outside, this is gonna go crazy. Look at this one. This got 98,000 likes.
I will never be going to the nail salon again to get my calluses removed because of this. Look how well this is working. I literally got it off the TikTok shop for super cheap. I was so sick and tired of paying $30, guys. I had to look for this on the TikTok.
Of course, saying like TikTok, I wouldn't be bothered by it. I'm more so hearing what she's saying because 98,000 likes like correlates with people resonating with it. So one thing that I hear people resonate with is like, I'm not paying no $30 anymore for this. This gets my feet way better. So like that's angle. You could do that for busy moms too as well. Like there's so many ways.
Shop and literally got it and it's working wonders. Stop wasting your money at the nail salons, guys. You can literally do this yourself.
That's the angle that she's going to stop wasting money at nail salon. So now I can go back in here and say, hey, let's use an angle of having people stop wasting money at hair salons. So boom, now that we got that, love that energy, stop wasting. Where did I get that from? I just got it from looking at this. So, or watching and seeing other people. But we got the product from what? AI. So it's not like I'm not, because this makes it to where we're bringing back a trend. We're bringing back something that has already been proven to work. So it's not like we're seeing that it's working for someone else, which works. Do not get me wrong. But this puts you in a position to be able to start back a trend or bring something back that you know that works. That's why that first question of, is it proven to sell? And you can kind of see like now that we kind of got that, we got that pretty fast. Let me stop sharing this screen. Don't want to make this video too long for y'all, but I do want to put this all together. Y'all see me? All right, cool. So if I come back, let me present this again. So as you see, now that we've found that using those AI prompts, we've now have seen this whole framework work. So we see that it's been a proven product. This is a product that we pulled out. Hopefully there's probably some upgraded version of this product, but now we know that it's proven product. And we found our angles. So you see how it gave us all 5 different angles. It gave us the angle of busy moms, gave us the angles of fitness, that guy that was using it, that could be kind of a fitness way. Given the angle of older people, like just gave us Gen Z, TikTok made me buy it. So it gave us all those angles. Same product, new story, new demand. So it just gave it a whole different way, and then it gave us ways of being able to buy more than just one. So it gave us the smoother feet bundle. What did it say? Smoother feet starter kit. You need that. Smoothen them feet. Get the starter kit. So it even gives it like more of a brand feel too as well. So that right there makes it to where people can buy more than just one. And then we can kind of already see that it does fit a bigger shift. And honestly, let's go ahead and ask let's ask our prompt to see. Let's see if it fits a bigger shift, which we can kind of understand and already see already. But if we're using AI, let's might as well use it to the fullest. So I'm gonna say, are you able to tell me why this does or does not fit the bigger shift in the market? Let me give you my example. So I'm getting this example from our sheet over here. So this is all, I'm just trying to make it all do its thing. Copying this, so I'm just taking this example. Y'all can use this free tool the same way I'm using it, but boom. Yes, sir. Let's break it down exactly like the energy drink analogy. That's a fire spot on. So the calluses, it's Associates Foot Care, old ways, a salon. Yeah, old ways, a salon, time consuming, expensive, inconvenient. So you had to set an appointment. Ooh, yeah, tipping, travel. Ooh, doesn't fit today. Do it. Doesn't fit today. Do it yourself, or budget conscious mindset. The new wave, DIY tools, instant, affordable, and still feels premium. Empowerment. I can do this myself, and it feels good. Ooh, the bigger shift. This isn't just a product. It's a part of a culture or cultural shift. Think we're not just selling smoother heels. or selling independence from overpriced, outdated routines. So I'm telling you, like, you haven't, I'm gonna end it at that just to let you know, because AI has made it so much easier. This concept, the 4-step framework, if you haven't watched the last video where I went over this framework, I highly suggest watching that. And if you guys want us to go ahead and help you out and build your store for you, or if you want to get some help from me personally weekly, I got the First Sale community down below. That's where you're surrounded by like-minded individuals where we help you accelerate your first sale and beyond, and get some weekly consulting, or we could do your store for you. So if you guys want specific help, we got that down below. All free resources inside the free community. Now I'll see you on the next one. We dropping this value, y'all. Peace.